Good evening. Welcome back to HU16 News. I'm Trey Tonneson. Right now across the state and specifically here in White County, it's about 45 degrees. It hovered around about 10 degrees higher than freezing all day, give or take a few degrees, of course, across the state. But across Arkansas right now, temperatures dropping just a tad bit as we move into the evening hours. Up in Fayetteville, around 36 degrees, Little Rock around 42, and here in White County, once again, about 45 degrees. So a little bit colder than usual, but later in the week, that should rise just a bit. We'll cover that in just a few moments. Tonight, the coldest winter night of the season, about around 21 degrees. Could drop a little bit further depending on the low pressure system that is on its way into the state. Moving into your next 12 hours, from about 5 p.m. to 4 a.m., you can see the temperature steadily dropping down into the 20s, reaching about 23 degrees around 4 a.m. And on tomorrow's surface map, you can see a stationary boundary here, a high pressure system staying put over the state, leaving temperatures about the way they are right at the moment. But as you can see, tomorrow around 5 p.m., about 42 degrees, and you're going to have it quite again. There you go. Same pattern as today. Temperature going to drop right around 29 degrees about 4 a.m., bringing the lows for tomorrow into the 30s. A little bit warmer than today, but once again, not too warm, as you're still going to need a pretty heavy coat. Temperatures are going to remain below freezing. Tomorrow, the temperature will be around 43 degrees for most of the day, the average around 43 to 45 degrees. On Thursday, that high pressure system, you can see it moved on into the east part of the country around Florida and the East Coast. That'll leave a little bit of disturbance and a higher risk for severe weather, marginally just about 5 to 10% higher than usual. Rain last month, pretty heavy in the month of February. This month we've already had quite a bit of rainfall, especially down in the southern portions of the state. You can see the darker portions of green there, which indicates the higher levels of rainfall we've received so far in this month in those portions of the state. On your 5-day forecast, system that's supposed to move in this weekend, raising temperatures quite a bit, around 60 to maybe even 70 degrees on Saturday. But the catch here, you're going to get higher temperatures. That's not without its cons, as that's going to raise the severe levels just a bit, not too high, about 5 to 10%, so stay leery of that. But temperatures are going to rise into the 60s, maybe even the 70s on Saturday. That's what you need to remember as you move into the end of your work week. But